Finding the standard equation of a parabola given certain conditions. So in this video, we will be finding the equation of the parabola given the vertex, the directrix, or the focus, or the combinations of this. Okay, let's start. Before that, we need to familiarize ourselves with the different standard equations of parabolas with vertex at hk. Okay, they have the same form, but if the parabola opens upward, we have x minus h squared equals 4c times y minus k. The vertex here is hk, and c is the distance between the vertex of the parabola and its focus. It can also be the distance between the vertex and the directrix. If the parabola opens downward, it's still x minus h squared on the left, but on the right, the linear part is negative. So our parabola looks like this. Parabola with the focus here and directrix on top. Okay, if the parabola opens to the right, y is being squared. This is y minus k squared equals 4c times x minus h. And then if the parabola opens to the left, then its standard equation is y minus k squared equals negative 4c times x minus h, where c here is the distance from the vertex to the focus. As what you can see here, h is always with x, h is with x, and k is always with y, no matter where the parabola opens. Okay, c is the distance between the vertex and the focus. It can also be the distance between the vertex and the directrix. Let's have example number 1. Find the standard equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0 and focus 0, 7. So first, we need to identify where the parabola opens, because for us to find the equation, we need to know the vertex hk, which is given here in the problem. And then we also need C, the distance between the vertex and the focus, and where the parabola opens. We need to know where it opens. Okay, let's plot the vertex 0, 0. Okay, that's the origin. And the focus 0, 7 is on the y-axis. So if the positioning of the vertex and the focus are this and this, then the parabola has to open upward. Okay, because the parabola and the focus look like that. The parabola is, if the parabola is like this, then the focus is like inside. Okay, so if it opens upward, we need to follow the formula x minus h squared equals 4c times y minus k. And h and k are 0 and 0. So we already know h and k. And for the c, that is the distance between the vertex and the focus. The distance from 0, 0 to 0, 7 is 7 units. That's 7 minus 0. So we can already substitute h here with with 0, and then c is 7, so replace c with 7, and k replace that with 0. And then x minus 0 can be written simply as x, so this is going to be x squared equals 28 times y, so that is x squared equals 28y. So that is the standard equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0 and focus 0, 7. Let us have another example. Example number 2. Find the standard equation of the parabola with vertex 2, 4 and focus 2, 1. Again, we need to know where the parabola opens so that we know what equation to use. We also need to find the vertex and C. But in this problem, the vertex is given to be 2, 4. So we just need the opening and C. Okay, if the vertex is at 2, 4, then that is on the first quadrant. So that's the vertex, the red dot, that's 2, 4. And the focus is at 2, 1. So if the position of the vertex and the focus are those, then the parabola must open downward. So its standard equation is x minus h squared equals negative 4c times y minus k. And h and k are 2 and 4. H and k or hk are the coordinates of the vertex. How about c? What is c? C is the distance between the focus and the vertex. So that is from 1 to 4. So from 1 to 4, we just subtract 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 3 units. So we can already substitute, replace h with 2, c with 3, and k with 4, and then simplify. We will just multiply here the 4 and the 3. So we will just copy x minus 2 squared equals negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 times y minus 4. And that is now the standard equation of the parabola with vertex 2, 4 and focus 2, 1. Example number 3. Find the standard equation of the parabola with vertex negative 5, negative 1 and directrix x equals 1. The vertex is negative 5, negative 1, so that is on the third quadrant. Directrix is x equals 1, so that is a vertical line. Okay, if that's the vertex and the directrix, where does the parabola open? It should open to the left. So its equation is y minus k squared equals negative 4c times x minus h. Hk are given to be negative 5 and negative 1. But to solve for c, that is the distance from the vertex to the directrix. So that is the distance from negative 5 to positive 1. The distance from negative 5 to positive 1 is just 1 minus negative 5, which is 6. So we can now substitute. That is going to be y minus negative 1 squared equals negative 4 times 6 times x minus negative 5. And then you can write that as y plus 1 squared equals negative 24 times x plus 5. And that is now the standard equation of the parabola with vertex negative 5, negative 1, and directrix x equals 1. Example number 4. Find the standard equation of the parabola with vertex negative 2, 3 and directrix x equals negative 4. Negative 2, 3 is on the second quadrant. And directrix x equals negative 4 is a vertical line. So if the vertex is that and the directrix is that, then the parabola must open to the right. So if it opens to the right, its equation is y minus k squared equals 4c times x minus h. And c and h and k are negative 2 and 3, and c is the distance from negative 4 up to negative 2. From negative 4 up to negative 2, that's negative 2 minus negative 4 is 2 units. So c is equal to 2. Okay, you can already substitute. Y minus k is 3 squared equals 4 times c is 2 times x minus h, which is negative 2. And then we can simplify this as 4 times 2 is 8. And minus negative 2, you can write that simply as plus 2. So the standard equation of the parabola with vertex negative 2, 3 and directrix x equals negative 4 is y minus 3 squared equals 8 times x plus 2. Example number 5. Find the standard equation of the parabola with focus 3, negative 6 and directrix y equals 0. So the focus is at 3, negative 6, so that is on the fourth quadrant. And the rectrix is y equals 0, which is exactly the x-axis. And the vertex should be midway between the focus and the directrix because the distance from the vertex to the directrix or from the vertex to the focus should be the same, and that is equal to C. So the vertex is the point midway between the focus and the directrix. That's what you can see here. The directrix is y equals 0 and the focus here is negative 6. The y coordinate is negative 6. So what is midway between 0 and negative 6? You just average. 0 plus negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. So the vertex is at 3, negative 3. So we're okay with the vertex because we need the vertex. Where if that's the position, where does the parabola open? It opens downward. And its standard equation is x minus h squared equals negative 4c times y minus k. And h and k are 3 and negative 3 respectively. And for the C, that can be the distance between the vertex and the focus or the vertex and directrix. And that is from negative 6 to negative 3. That is negative 3 minus negative 6, which is positive 3. And replacing H, K, and C to the standard equation, we will have x minus h is 3. So x minus 3 squared equals negative 4 times C, which is 3 times y minus negative 3. And we will write negative 4 times 3 as negative 12 and minus negative 3 as plus 3. And we will have x minus 3 squared equals negative 12 times y plus 3. And that is the standard equation of the parabola with focus 3, negative 6 and directrix y equals 0. Example number 6. Find the standard equation of the parabola with focus at negative 4, 5 and directrix x equals negative 12. So focus negative 4, 5, that is on the second quadrant. And directrix x equals negative 12, that is a vertical line. And then same, the vertex is the point midway between the directrix and the focus. So that's the point midway between negative 12 and negative 4. So you just average. Negative 12 plus negative 4 is negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. So the vertex is at negative 8, 5. So if that's the position of the directrix, vertex, and focus, the parabola opens to the right. And its standard equation is y minus k squared equals 4c times x minus h. And then h is negative 8, k is positive 5, and c is the distance from the vertex to the focus or from the directrix to the vertex. That is from negative 8 to negative 4. The distance between negative 8 and negative 4, you just subtract. Negative 4 minus negative 8 is positive 4. So C is positive 4. And replacing that to the standard equation, we will have y minus 5 squared equals 4 times 4 times x minus negative 8, which is y minus 5 squared equals 16 times x plus 8. So this is now the standard equation of the parabola with focus negative 4, 5 and directrix x equals negative 12. Okay, for your practice, answer the following items. Find the standard equation of the parabola with the given conditions. Number 1, vertex 0, 0, focus 0, -8. So you need to identify where the parabola opens, what is C, and what is the standard equation, and what is the H and the K. Number 2, vertex, -3, -5, focus, -8, -5. Number 3, vertex 5, 0, directrix y equals -2. Number 4, focus 2, -2, directrix y equals 0. And number 5, focus 9, -6, and directrix x equals -9. Pause the video so that you will have more time in answering. So you can go back to the parts where the examples are the same as the given here in this practice set. Okay, if you're done, you can continue with the video. I'll provide the answers. For number 1, that is x squared equals -32y. Number 2, y plus 5 squared equals -20 times x plus 3. If you're not yet done, pause the video and continue answering. If you're done, then play the video. Number 3, x minus 5 squared equals 8y. And number 4, x minus 2 squared equals -4 times y plus 1. If you need more time to answer number 5, pause again the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also comment down below for your questions and clarifications, and I'll be happy to respond to your queries as soon as I read them. Number 5, the answer here is y plus 6 squared equals 36. So you can please like this video if you got 5 out of 5. If you got one mistake, 2, 3 mistakes, then you can comment down below your score or the items where you got wrong. Okay, until the next video. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!